the key.
Yo, Ja, it's a little PSA, man, because you know, everybody know you King Kong, everybody know you got all the hits. But I'm gonna have to drag you. I'm about to bring you into the projects, Trinity Ave. Oh, y'all must have forgot, because I ain't forget. Street snuff. And so we gonna turn up Madison Square Garden the 14th. It's gonna be crazy. You my brother. I love you. But I'm gonna have to get you up out that cardigan sweater, that grease lightning. Know what I'm saying? And so it's going down. And if you forgot, I ain't forget. So I'll see you there. Crack.
Streets, huh? I like that. It's cool. I'm comfortable there. But I'm gonna drag you on that stage. See, you gotta perform them records. Word for word, bar for bar. You make you sweat out that nigga. That Hermes, oh yeah, you gonna sweat that out. Until the 14th. First, get your tickets, man.
Key, I need you like I need 100 mil. I need you cause you always keep.
I gotta put a big ass pause on that video. Them two niggas, just the way they were looking in the camera and talking to each other. What the fuck? Big pause on this video.
Real 99 problems, you the one I'm trying to solve. We should be in Aruba instead of writing this song. Paper tags on the Lambo, temporary. I told you, emotions are temporary. I said a lot of things I can't take back. Ignoring all my calls, I don't know how to take that. I need you and I admit it. Before you, my kryptonite was commitment. Grey goose in my liver, I'm swerving the city's tinted. Everything I love, I lose it, I used to win it. Jesus, peace on my neck.